finally happening today, our biggest giveaway yet. And you guessed it? Royal Swiss Auto Services, the first and largest electric car service center, is giving away a 2022 Volkswagen ID4 with 130,000 dirhams. To participate through Instagram, you're just 2 steps away. First, get the right answer for this question. How many gears does an electric car have? Second, tag 7 of your friends, like this post and follow us. For those who aren't sure about the answers, we got you. For every minimum spend of 300 dirhams or more on any of our services, you will enter the contest. One winner will drive away this eco-friendly car, saving huge on gas, with 1 year worry-free, as it comes with gold warranty, service contract, comprehensive insurance, even with CITA charger and cable. What are you waiting for? Tag and drop your answers in the comment section below. The winner will be picked randomly, and I can't wait to see that lucky winner driving away the VW ID4 soon.